Google CEO Sundar Pichai, The Profound Future of Search in 2025. Have you ever wondered what your simple Google searches will evolve into just a few years down the line? According to Sundar Pichai, 2025 will redefine everything we know about search. Hold on tight, because the future of information discovery might just leave you speechless. Sundar Pichai believes that search will tackle questions of unparalleled complexity by leveraging transformative AI technologies like BERT, MUM, and Gemini. These tools, already shaping search quality today, are merely laying the groundwork for an extraordinary leap in information retrieval. In this new world, search won't simply provide answers. It will understand your intentions, context, and needs like never before. Imagine a future where search doesn't just respond, but truly resonates. The Google we know now will seem primitive compared to what's coming. With AI overviews revolutionizing search experiences, Pichai envisions an era when we're inundated with content, yet more empowered to find meaningful, trustworthy information. The heart of this transformation lies in making search multimodal and smarter, tying together text, visuals, and interactivity. How will these changes reshape how we view and interact with the tidal wave of data around us? Pichai's vision is rooted in humanity's age-old pursuit of knowledge. He notes that tools like Facebook and YouTube once dramatically shifted the information curve, and search too will rewrite the rulebook. What does this mean for creators, thinkers, and everyday users? It holds the promise of deeper understanding in an increasingly noisy digital world. As search grows, it isn't just about technology, but about fostering a connection between people, information, and ideas. This evolution will address not only what we seek, but how we find clarity in a cluttered online space. How will these changes transform your life by 2025? Sundar Pichai invites us all to ponder this remarkable future. Are we ready for search engines that feel human, seamless, and intuitive? If this vision excites you, tell us what new possibilities you're most thrilled about in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the incredible tech insights shaping our tomorrow.